funny niya po. Lumabas talaga yung goofy side niya and sobrang effortless niya magpatawa.
Maging magkaibigan, di ba? Ayan, we have here, Direk Jason Palaksamana, Ashton, and of course, Andres. Wow, alam ko napakaraming nangyari sa utak at puso nyo ngayon. But now is the best time para maninig namin kung ano ba yung tumatakbo dyan sa kaloob-looban ninyo. Now, here are a few reminders for the press for our Q&A session. We will be limiting to 2 questions lamang po per press. And that includes your follow-up question for us to accommodate everybody. Please refrain from asking insensitive, offensive, and personal questions. Of course, we all know that. We will only entertain questions related to the film. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys? Yes. Andres and Ashton, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready?
Woo!
Eto na. Simulan na natin. I'm super excited for this. Simulan na natin. Let's call in the first on the list from Abante, Sir Jun Lalin.
Hello, yeah. Good afternoon. Yeah. Hi, Direk. Yeah. Asti and Andres. Ang bongga, no? Para kami nasa wedding reception.
Nakagulat po, no?
At ang bongga ng mga fans na talagang nagre-request sila ng kiss. Nagagano sila ng baso at saka ng mga ano, di ba talagang pinapatunog nila. Ayan, pinapatunog nila ulit. Ako, parang lumalakas. Oo. Wala ba kayong balak pagbigyan? Oo. Grabe. Oo. Hindi naman ka-der-der daw eh. Oo. Hindi. Ang sweet, ang nakakakilig, di ba? Oo. Wala kayong balak pagbigyan. Yan, inuulit ko.
Kailangan yung panoorin yung movie.
So, merong kissing scene?
To be announced.
Parang nabigla yata si Andres at saka si Astin sa sinabi nila. Parang natigilan sila. Direct, secret ba yung kissing scene? Kasi wala rin kami nakita doon sa mga naunang teaser.
Parang wala.
Wink.
Bakit parang hindi ka sigurado? Direct, eh, ikaw nag-direct.
Kailan panoorin? Siyempre para makita. Pero, dili na lang ako mag-talk.
So, kailangan talaga, ngayon ba available na ang tickets? September 24
yes,
siya.
Tickets are now available.
May nabasa ako may nakita ako nagbibilihan na raw mga fans ng ticket. Ang bongga, di ba? Oo. Tapos, nag-a-announce na ng Viva na may screening abroad. Tuloy ba, Direk?
Tuloy po sa US, Canada, and Middle East.
Oo, ang mismong mga fans daw ng nina Ashton at Andres ang naglalakad, umaayos, no, ng mga black screening abroad. Tama?
Opo. Tapos, marami pang ibang countries na hindi pa showing, pero talagang yung fans nila, kinakalampag. Ako personally sa Instagram ko, mga taga-Pakistan, taga-India, taga-Latin America. So, ang lakas talaga ng nila, global following nila.
Ang bongga rin kasi talagang nagawa sila ng Viva One, di ba? Oo. Yan. Pero ano ba dapat namin i-expect dito sa Minamahal? Oo. Kanina while driving, no, nasa Skyway ako, naman parang tumutugtog sa isipan ko yung theme song ng movie. Ang tindi ng dating ng Minamahal. So, yeah, kayong tatlo, anong dapat i-expect namin with Minamahal? And bakit pala binalik sa yung subtitle, 100 Bulaklak para kay Luna? Kasi as of yesterday lang daw yan eh.
Bali yung, ako personally, yung kailangan abangan ng mga tao. Kasi ano pa sila eh, parang hindi pa talaga sila lumabas sa big screen as lead actors, especially Andres. Yun ang isang major reason na kailangan abangan natin to kasi genuinely speaking, talagang they're stars in the making talaga, superstars in the making. And I'm very honored na ako yung parang nagkaroon ng honor para gawan sila ng pelikula.
Ang swerte mo nga raw, Direk eh.
Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa pag nagdi-direct sa kanila, yung magic na dinadala nila sa screen, I'm excited for other people, kay fans man or casual viewers, to witness that magic that I see every time we shoot.
Yan. Ang bongga nga kasi talagang expected na lahat blockbuster, di ba? Lahat excited, di ba? So yan, Astin and Andres.
Sa akin naman po, ang dapat nilang abangan is yung lesson na pag magmamahal ka, sige, ibigay mo lahat, pero wag mo kakalimutan magtira para sa sarili mo.
And Andres?
Yes, I think everyone should watch out for the themes of love in this movie and how all of us, we experience love in our lives, whether it's giving love or loving something, or we love the things that we do. And I think this movie shows just the challenges and the journey that love brings, whether that's the ups, the highs, and the downs and the lows.
Ang bongga ng pagkakasabi mo. Pero ang bongga, no, Astin, Andres, grabe ang support ng fans. Kitang-kita sa Viva Arcada, kitang-kita dito, and around the world, no?
Yes, yun nga. Firstly, I would like to thank, all the fans that are here today. You guys all here in the back. Thank you, keepers. Thank you so much. I'd also like to thank the fans internationally that have supported us and continue to support us along this journey. Sa totoo lang, we never really expected any of this to happen, and coming from Ang Mutya ng Section E to now here our first film with the great JPL as our director. Seriously, it's really an honor that I'm really happy. Me and Ash are both really happy that we got the opportunity to work with JPL. I know that they have worked together in the past, but ako naman, I'm really grateful for you, Direk. I'm learning a lot as we go, and it's really an honor.
Yeah, worldwide, ipapalabas, no? You guys going abroad to attend the screenings?
Why not? Diba?
Yes, we're working on the scheduling now, but there will be showings internationally. We just cannot confirm exactly all the places just yet, but expect to have at least one.
Yeah. Heard from my friends from Spain, no? Madrid, that a lot of Filipinos there, they're organizing screenings, no? Kasi they're all so excited na makita ka ulit at isama mo daw si Astin sa pagbabalik mo sa Madrid. Kasi ang daming mga naging friends mo eh.
Yes, marami kong mga Pinoy na friends sa Madrid, and miss ko sila talaga kasi they were my livelihood, and they helped me survive talaga throughout my college experience. And sana, if we could have the chance to go back to Spain also, so that Ash could see, I could take her around sa Madrid, and it would be really great if we could get the chance to have a vlog screening sa Madrid.
Yeah, ang bongga, mukhang gusto mo siyang ilibot nga talaga sa sinabi mo. If there's 3 places in Madrid na special sa'yo, saan mo siya dadalhin and why?
In Madrid, para sa akin, siguro Retiro Park sa Madrid, which is like it's the most famous park in Madrid.
Yeah, ang laki niya, no?
Yes, very beautiful park.
Oh, napagod ako sa kakalibot, di ba?
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Oh, yeah.
Ang ganda, di ba? It's very nice.
Yeah, where else?
Retiro Park. Ano pa? I'll bring her sa Sunan University ko para makita niya.
And one more, and why?
Where else pa in Madrid? Basta I will tour her around. Pag nandyan na, if the opportunity is there, then yun na.
Ayan, aabangan niya ng mga fans nyo. Katulad ng aabangan nila ang minamahal ng September 24. Congratulations and good luck!
Thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Wow! May passport ka naman, Ashley.
Meron. Ready na ako.
Ready ka na? Sa'yo pala yung naka-packet din ng maleta. Parang pumunta ka na sa Madrid. Okay guys, pero for the information of everyone, again, we're gonna be showing on September 24th sa Philippines po yan, 26th sa USA and Canada. Of course, sa Middle East, coming soon pa yan to be announced. And of course, sa ibang bansa pa, lahat yan to be announced. Again, 24 Philippines, 26 po sa USA and Canada. There we go. You guys are global force. Grabe. Talaga naman itong mga friends ko to. Okay, tuloy naman tayo. Next on the list, we have, let's call in from Manila Bulletin, Robert Lacantina.
Hello, magandang hapon.
Hello po.
Congratulations sa Andres and Ashley and kay Direk. Kay Direk mo, Direk. So, paano mo i-describe ang chemistry ni Andres at ni Ashley? And nung nag-shoot ba kayo, madali mo bang labas yung projection nilang dalawa para maging magical yung dating sa screen?
On and off screen, they have chemistry. Tapos, dito sa pelikulang ito, di ba kapag romance yung genre, yung actors dapat nilalabas mo yung chemistry, yung kilig. That's the least of my worries. Kasi on their own, kaya na nila yun.
So talaga parang natural na yung mga chemistry nila.
Oo.
And then kay Andres and Ashin, okay, matagal na rin kayo magkakilala. Pero sa paggawa niyo ng Minamahal, anong na-discover niyo sa isa't isa na bago?
Na bago?
Yes, so kung may bago kayong discover sa isa't isa.
Ikaw na lang
While shooting the film.
Siguro, ang na-discover ko kay Andres ngayon is sobrang nakakatawa po pala siya. Kasi before nagjo-joke siya, parang kailangan ko pakilitin yung sarili ko para matawa eh. Pero ngayon, super funny niya po. Lumabas talaga yung goofy side niya and sobrang effortless niya magpatawa.
Wow, good answer. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Ano kaya? Yung bago?
Andres to Ash naman. Ano yung bago na discover mo kay Ash? Alam ko madami ka na alam sa kanya eh, pero ano yung bago?
Di ko maiisip kasi ano to. Para sa akin, like, from ang Mutya Section pa lang, when we were ready, first initially paired, I learned a lot of things about Ash already and parang nagagets ko naman yung character niya and everything.
Oo, tama. Hinuhulaan niya. Minsan dinedenay ko na nahihiya ako. Sabi, hindi, nahihiya ka. Sige na nga, oo, tama ka. Alam niya.
Ano na lang, Andres, siguro, ano yung pinaka-gusto mong quality ni Ashton?
Si Ash,
yes.
Talagang how genuine she is. You know, even when we have our conversations on set, I really enjoy it and I look forward to it every day. And even coming to work every other day on set, I enjoy having these conversations with the Ash and yun, very genuine.
Okay, maraming salamat kayo. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Next, let's call in from TV5, Von Belinario. Okay, let's proceed with from TikTok and People's Journal, Tita Aster Amoyo.
Pero, ay Baby Hill. Ay, Direk.
Saan po kayo?
Dito ako. Tumayo na ako, tumayo na ako.
May silaw kasi.
Kay Astin and of course Andres. Una-muna, congratulations.
Thank you.
Astin muna. Astin, you've been around for quite some time. I remember 2016 ka nagsimula, right? So it took you some 9 years bago mo na-realize yung pangarap mo. Dumating ba yung point na parang medyo impatient ka na sa kahihintay na parang walang nangyayari sa career mo until of course pagdating ni Andres sa buhay mo?
Siguro hindi ko masabing impatient. Siguro mas more on parang dumating ako sa point na in-accept ko na parang hindi talaga, if hindi ito yung para sa akin, parang willing akong i-give up siya or willing akong mag-take ng ibang career. And yun po yung like yung 7 months po akong walang work tapos dumating po yung Mutya ng Section 8.
Andres, nauna sa iyo ang kakambal mo, of course, si Atasha, right? Nauna siya, she was ahead sa pasok sa showbiz. At that time kasi parang hindi ka pa decided na pumasok. So what made you finally decide na sundan mo yung yapak ng kapatid mo?
Actually, prior naman, it was, we already knew, or we already kind of decided naman that it was going to go there, in that direction naman. Mas nauna lang si Tash kasi also, she finished her studies before me. And parang, we already knew in our hearts that we wanted to do this, and not only just do it for the sake of doing it, but also given the chance to really work hard and give our best with our craft, because we know that the industry is not an easy place, and you know our parents often would remind us that, but we both knew deep in our hearts that if we just worked hard enough and really gave our effort, talagang maybe sana if the Lord would give it, like things could happen naman. And buti na lang naman, I'm so grateful and really I feel blessed na me and Tasha have been able to, you know, achieve some things in the time being that we've been.
Para sa inyong dalawa, posible bang ma-in love kayo sa isa't isa? Hindi pa ba? Sabi ng mga fans, oh. Hindi pa ba?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Kasi usually yung mga love teams, talaga nagkakatuluyan eh, di ba? Nagiging sila talaga. In your case, like what I asked earlier, posible ba kayong ma-in love sa isa't isa? Although, sinasabi nung iba, hindi pa ba?
Like you said, kung possible, anything is possible. Pero, di ko na masabi. Ano na?
Astin?
Same answer po.
So, posible talaga. Malaki ang
Opo, hindi po
chance.
natin masasabi, pero tignan po natin.
Yung level ng friendship nyo ngayon, kumusta na? Nasa in a scale of 1 to 10, nasaan na?
Ako 11 ako.
11 na rin ako. Pero totoo, kami ni Ash, we're very close na, and even on the set, on working days, I would like to say, or I would like to believe na we enjoy each other's company naman. And it's always a fun time.
Yeah, mas naging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa ngayon.
Okay.
Yun pa.
Alam ko dalawa lang yung tanong, pero tatanungin ko muna si Direk. Direk, while doing this movie, sabi mo nga may andun yung magic, andun yung chemistry, but of course, meron pa rin kayong napapansin sa kanilang dalawa. Working with this two, kasi first time nyo silang na-direct.
Well, si Ashley nakatrabaho ko na before, so hindi na ako surprised sa kanya. Si Andres, actually, di ba naalala mo yung meron tayong scene na kailangan mong umiyak?
Spoiler!
Well, hindi naman nilala kung bakit na kailangan mong umiyak. To be honest, na-surprise ako kay Andres kasi I had this thinking na may assumption ako na hindi siya nakakaiyak yun. Pero nung take one pa lang, binigay na talaga niya. So, di ba, parang surpassed my expectations.
Balikan lang kita, Andres. Ano ang pinaghugutan mo dun sa iyak scene na yun?
Para sa akin, I think really it's really the scene. Talagang, kasi malalim talaga yung scene, and kahit yung lines ko doon, talagang na-feel ko nung sinasabi ko. Kaya, it was easier for me to release those emotions because I really felt the lines as I was saying it.
Lastly, kasi kayong dalawa ang bida sa pelikulang ito. This is your first movie together. Wala bang pressure na nararamdaman sa inyong dalawa? Kasi kayong magdadala ng pelikula eh.
Ako po nung una, nung nagkaroon kami ng 12 million views sa first teaser, parang doon po pumasok yung pressure sa akin. Parang na-realize ko doon na taas na expectation ng mga tao. Pero nung na-realize ko po na napapasukan na ako ng pressure, kasi hindi ako nakaka-work ng maayos kapag under pressure ako, mas hindi ko nagagawa ng maayos yung trabaho ko. So tinigil ko po agad siya and mas nag-focus po ako doon sa mga dapat po namin gawin.
Andres?
Ako naman, yes, kasi first movie ko to talaga, and may pressure yan talaga kasi dahil first naman. Pero sa tingin ko naman kasi mas na-excite ako talaga because this is my first film and acting project, and really kahit noon pa naman nung bata pa ako, I always dreamed na one day I'd be on the silver screen, and jumping from teleserye, from a series to now the silver screen, I can say that I'm in the middle of one of my dreams, and so for me parang it's much more of excitement than pressure. But the pressure is definitely there, and importante din yung pressure, if you want to do a good job and produce good work, you need the pressure in.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Tita Sir Moyo. Next, let's proceed with